Mendenhall Ice Caves, USA. Inside the Mendenhall Glacier in Alaska, the Mendenhall Ice Caves offer an ethereal journey into a world of translucent blue ice. Accessible only to those willing to kayak and hike to the glacier. These caves present a surreal landscape sculpted by melting ice. The cave's interiors reveal a dynamic environment, where light filters through the ice, casting an otherworldly glow. The melting of the Mendenhall Glacier, like many glaciers worldwide, is a stark indicator of climate change, making the caves both magnificent